Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So once again, I'm back with another exciting video. In this video, I am focusing on the AI-based products which are being launched in the 2023. So today I have came with the six writing tools which are very unique and you should try these tools. So few of them are free to use and few of them have pricing feature in it. You can also try them for free. So first of all is the first one is the hypotenuse AI. So what it does, it writes for you. So if you have any prompt or you want to do some kind of work, so you can simply use hypotenuse AI to create content like for you. So if you need its free version, you get 7 days trial and no credit card is required for this. You just simply need to click on it and you can have you can enjoy its free version. So okay, so let's see what is inside it. So it can be used for blog articles, e-commerce contents, or image and artworks, paid ads and social media copy. Okay, it is also used for emails and the website content. So this is an AI based tool. So let's move to the second one. The second one is Content Forge. So it generates all the content you need just in one click. So what you will do, you will uh, ask it something, you will insert your prompt, and then you will click on the generate content. Okay, so this will create content for you. No credit card is required for this as well, and you can generate 1000 words in its free version. So if you click on this, try Content Forge for free, you will get its demo for free and you can write up to 1000 words in it in one try. So it is also very good and it works like ChatGPT. And one more feature is this: you can also rephrase through it. So, and if you are a YouTuber or you want to earn through it, they have the affiliate program as well. So by using this affiliate program, you will get a unique link for yourself, and by sharing your video on the TikTok or YouTube or other platforms, and then you will mention that link, and if someone buys the membership of Content Forge through your affiliate link, then you will get paid as well. So this is also a unique tool. So the next tool is AI tech word AI, so which is basically AI based text rewriter. Okay, so this works just like as the Quillbot. Let's suppose you have generated any content from the chat gpt and you want to rephrase it because turnitin it is detecting plagiarism. So you will do, you will definitely move to wordai.com and click on the try it free, and you will have a word limit of 250 and you will paste it in, and what it will do, it will rephrase your content and your AI detection will be removed, and then you upload that file to the turnitin, and after that your plagiarism is gone and your AI detection is also gone. So if you are a student or an academic person, this tool is for you. So okay, as you can see, original text is the police arrested the suspected yesterday, and word AI rewrites yesterday the suspect arrested by the police. So definitely it rephrases your text and removes AI detection, also the plagiarism in your files. Okay, so these are the three tools. Let's move to the Write Sonic. So Write Sonic is also a AI based platform which is used for blog generation, SEO content, product descriptions, like if you have any kind of Amazon or eBay product, and also you can perform human like voiceover through it, and you can create realistic images and arts through it, and also you can add copy through it. Moreover, you can create social media posts by using this unique tool. So these are the features of the Write Sonic. So they also provide you a free demo. Note that free demo is for the 7 days. no credit card is required, so you can simply use this to create AI powered creativity anytime, anywhere. And the let's move to the fifth tool, which is smart copy. Smart copy is a very new product at this time, and it has not been much developed, but they also provide free of cost its version, so you can use it free. Okay, so it helps to create catchy taglines and reimagine your landing pages of the website, and it also helps to you to create whip up ad copy, and it has various kind of templates for your post, so it will more probably uh, provide you base for your work. So they have also pricing in it. In its free version you get 40 credits per month, and one you can perform one project, and you will have the 3-day trials, so you can use different IDs to enjoy this free trial. But if you have got some money, you can pay them $9 per month, and you will get 200 credits per month, and you will have three projects in it, and priority is also included. So if you pay them $49 per month, you will get everything unlimited. So I will recommend you to try its free version first. And okay, so let's move to the last one. Last one is the DeepL. So DeepL basically used to translate one language into other language. So you can use their API. This can also be provided by the for businesses. So this is more its API can be in used in various kind of other application. If you want to generate more applications of for let's suppose you want to create an application to translate English into another language, so this DeepL API can be a great help for you. So it also deep you can also translate various kind of files. If you upload PDF, PowerPoint or doc file in any other language, it can translate into English and these all kind of these languages. Okay, and you can also write text through by using deep write as well. So this was the new feature in it, so I decided to include it, and it is free for use. It is free. Its pricing is also included, but you can use its free version for translator, and deep l write is in beta version. So this is a very new application, and I hope you would have enjoyed it. So these were the 6 applications. I hope you enjoyed these 6 videos, and I have more products in my list. So I will be making another video on those as well. In each video I will be covering 6 applications. So